Hello everybody, this is Michael. In this video, we will talk about the segment 7 data module analysis. From previous system block, we know the segment 7 data module is here, is this one. This module is very important. It decided what kind of data showing on the segment display. You can design one stopwatch, digital clock, or any other function depends on your data processing in this module. So for our example, we will design one simple stopwatch function. Is this. So when the system begin to work, it will begin to record the time every second here. It is a stopwatch function. Initial one is 000. After 1 second, it will show 001, 002, another second, 003, 004, and 005. So you will see here, they have 4-bit data showing on the segment display. And so we will have one data array to remember each bit data. And then we will output the data according to the ID from the control module. The ID is 0, we output this data. The ID is 1, we output this data. The ID is 2, we output this data. The ID is 3, output this data. Output the data to the driver module. Let it show on the segment display. Okay, so the next step, let's take a look at the state machine about them for the module. Of course, the first state machine, the first state will be idle state. The idle state will check the 1 second arrive or not, because we are designing one stopwatch function. So the 1 second clock will generate by 1 clock divided. The idle state check the 1 second arrive or not. Then if not arrive, it keep into the idle state. If it arrives, and it will go into the data process. The data processing doing what? It basically handles the data array, each bit data, and increase 1 here until this bit to 9, and it will increase 1 here. If this bit to 9 increase to 9, and will increase 1 here. If this bit increase to 9, and then increase this one, so and so on. So the data processing is doing this thing. So if you want to do other function like hours, like minutes, hours, is also processing here in this data, in this state. After this state, then we go back to idle. So the state machine is quite simple. Only 2 states. Okay. Then let's take a look at the state table. This is the state table. And let's see what kind of action we need to do in each state. Okay. So first one is idle. In the idle state, because we are designing one stopwatch, so we just keep the data unchanged. We keep the data unchanged. And we keep checking the 1 second arrive or not in the idle state. And next one is data processing. The data processing, as we described it before, it will increase each bit data on the segment display. Increase each bit data. Increase the data processing. You can do more complicated data processing in this state, and then according different ID output the data for the drive. Okay, so this is segment 7 data module analysis. Okay, and then next time we will actually coding it and simulate it. Okay, so that's it. This is Michael. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.